Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Dharmendra. In this session, we'll discuss about the rank of the matrix. In the earlier class, we are also discuss about the rank of the matrix by using row reduced echelon form. So we have to take another examples of rank of the matrix. That is of first semester, University of Mysore. That is, you can find out the rank of the matrix, the session outcome to learn how to transform a matrix into row reduced echelon form. Next one is to find the rank of a matrix. The session outcome can find out rank of matrix by using elementary row operations. Recap, the definitions and type of matrix and examples and also properties and elementary row operations and learn rank of matrix. Pre-requirement, elementary row operations, rank of matrix, row reduced echelon form. The first problem, rank of matrix. This one is a 4 cross 4 matrix. You can observe the term is there that uh, principal diagonal elements. The terms is here 1, 4, 3, minus 7. So below the principal diagonal elements, we should make to 0. Here the leading element is 1. So below that leading element makes to 0. You can observe the term is, you can consider that matrix is A, and the term is the leading elements below the leading elements makes to 0. That is 2, 1, minus 1 is 0. That here the R2 first element is 2, but can this one makes to 0, that is R2 can be written as R2 minus R1. Similarly, here R3 first element is 1, so the term is when I have to subtract with the first element, leading element, so that is 1 minus 1, that becomes 0. Therefore R3 can be written as R3 minus R1. Similarly, the next one is R4, that is minus 1 is there, so I have to subtract. We won't subtract here because here already minus is there, that is R4 plus R1. And we can observe the terms is the leading elements below the leading elements makes to 0 by using that leading elements only R1. That is, we can use only R1, not the term of here R3 or R2. We can use only that leading elements below the leading element makes to 0. So next, so we have to operate the terms is, what is R2? R2 is R2 minus 2R1, and R3 is R3 minus R1, and R4 is R4 plus R1. So therefore that leading elements are 0. And the remaining term is, you can observe term is here 2 minus 1, 4, that is as it is. The second one is that becomes 0, 5 minus 4. Next one is 0, 4, 0. Next one is 0, 5 minus 3. So that leading element here, the next leading element 0, the next one is, that is a 4 is there. You can observe term is, you can operate the term of R3 is, R3 can be written as 5R3 minus 4R2. You can observe the term is, we can multiply these two terms, interchange the term of, and then we can subtract the term is, and R4 can be written as, R4 is R4 minus R2. The term is, we can the terms, so it can be rewritten as, that is 1, 2 minus 1, 4. The remaining elements like this. So therefore we can find out how many non-zero rows and how many 0 rows. Here 0 rows are 1, that non-zero rows are 3 non-zero rows. So we can conclude the term is, the finally the matrix has 3 non-zero rows, therefore the rank of the matrix is 3. So move on to the next one. Find the rank of the matrix. That is 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 6. You can observe term is this cross 3. So below that diagonal elements, here the diagonal elements are 1 and 5. Below the diagonal elements is this one only, we should make to 0. Let us consider the matrix is A. that is 1 1 1 2 5 6. What is that? Below the diagonal element is 2 only, so therefore that R2 can be written as R2 minus 2R1. So that is therefore, so 1 1 1 0. Here the term is 3 5 minus 2, that is 3, and the term is 4 minus 2, that is 4, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4. So therefore that we can observe the term is the diagonal elements makes to 1. So that's why I can take R2 is R2 by 3. So therefore that non-zero rows are 2. So the rank of the matrix is 2. Similarly, next one, using elementary transformation reduce the matrix to echelon form. So this one is a 4 cross 4 matrix. Let us consider this one is A is equal to the given matrix, and here that this one is a 4 cross 3 matrix. So therefore the diagonal elements are, the term is 1 minus 1 4. So below the diagonal element makes to 0. If the leading element is 1, the next one is 2 3 minus 1, should makes to 0. So therefore R2 can be written as R2 minus 2R1, and the operation is R3 is R3 minus 3R1, and R4 is R4 minus R1. So it will give that operation is that below the diagonal elements are 0. So what is next leading element is, that is minus 7. This next principal diagonal element is minus 7. So the terms is this should makes to 0, means we can operate the term is R4 is can be written as minus R4 by 2. So therefore it can be written like this. Next one is R2 can be written as R2 by 7. The next one is R3 is R3 minus R2, and R4 is R4 minus R2. So therefore below the principal diagonal elements are 0, and how many non-zero rows? The terms is, this is the required echelon form, and the term of non-zero rows are 2, and the term is 0 rows are 2. Here won't make the terms of rank of the matrix, the given given the required echelon form of the matrix. Next one, you can find that some more example. It is a exercise problems. Rank of the matrix A is equal to minus 1 3 4 4 1 minus 1 minus 8 minus 2 1. The next one is, that is a 4 cross 4 matrix. A is equal to like this, and similarly using a elementary row operation, reduce the matrix A is equal to this form, that is you can show that the term of the given this matrix to this form. Okay, next we have to move on to the multiple choice question. Let A and B are 3 cross 3 real matrices such that we can multiply the term of A into B. Rank of A into B is equal to 1. Then the rank cannot be 0, 2, 3 and 1. So therefore the term is that answer is C. Next one, the rank of the matrix n cross n plus 1 cross n plus 1 cross matrix, where A is a real number, is, so answer is 1. Matrix like this, that is 1a square a to the power of n. So you can observe terms of the same elements are there. So therefore the rank of the matrix is 1. The terms is, let A is equal to that matrix as I cross j. The term is 1 is less than or equal to I, less than or equal to n. Similarly 1 is less than or equal to j, j is less than or equal to n, with n is greater than or equal to 3, and aij is equal to I into j, then the rank of A is 1. You can observe term is Let P and Q be any two n cross n non-zero matrices is such that P plus Q is equal to 0, which one of the following statement is never true. Is first one, P is a non-singular, P is equal to Q transpose, and P is equal to Q to the power of minus 1, that's the inverse of Q, and the term is rank of P is not is equal to rank of Q. Its answer is D. Similarly, let P is equal to Pij be 50 cross 50 matrices with the Pij is equal to minimum of I comma j, where I and j are running from 1 to 50, then the rank of the matrix P is equal to 50. And these are the references. The first book is Matrices by Hari Krishna, and the second one is the Shanti Narayana and Dr. P.K. Mittal. The last one, the College Mathematics, R.V. Prabhakara and H.K. Nagaraj. Thank you